Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Skullcandy Uproar wireless headphones. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the product. On the top left, we have the Skullcandy branding. Underneath that, we have a slogan that explains a lightweight wireless simplified. Below the slogan, we have the name of the headphones, which are Uproar wireless, and underneath that, we have the description on your wireless headphones. Below that, we have the three key features which include Bluetooth wireless technology, up to 10 hours of battery life, and call, track, and volume control. On the right hand side of the packaging, we have the words Skullcandy written in some shiny material, and on the left hand side, we have the Skullcandy logo. There's nothing on the top, and on the bottom we have a few technical specifications, but on the top we have the addresses of the Skullcandy service centers across the world. Below that we have the technical specifications, which include the speaker driver size, which is 40 mm, impedance of 32 ohms, total harmonic distortion of less than 0.1%, frequency band of 2402 MHz to 2480 MHz, maximum power of 9.28 decibels, and a weight of 123 grams. On the back of the package, we have some descriptions like move freely, which basically explains that the headphones have a range of 33 feet. Listen longer, which explains that the headphones have a 10-hour battery life and all-day comfort thanks to the padded ear cup cushions. Apart from that, we have a couple more images of the headphones. We also have some warranty related information on the front, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user guide. This should help you understand the various buttons and functions of the headphones and help you get started off with using the headphones. Next up, we have some more warranty information, and as mentioned earlier, please consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. We also get a charging cable. It's approximately 20 inches long and it has a USB type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. We can also see the Skullcandy logo on the USB type A interface. Coming to the headset itself, we can see that it has a pretty minimalistic design, finished in all black, a matte black finish that is. The headband is quite flexible. It has some padding on the underside as well, and as you can see, it is extendable to fit a plethora of head sizes. The inside of the headband is made from plastic as well. Coming to the ear cups, we can see that the ear pads are pretty soft and have this perforation on the inside. The right ear cup has the various buttons. We can see the main function button right in the middle. There is also the volume buttons alongside it. Underneath that, we can see the LED light, which would turn on when we switch on the headphones using the main function button. As you can see, it is blinking red and blue to signify that it is in pairing mode. Next to it, we have the charging port, which is the micro USB charging port, and next to that we have the hole for the microphone. The ear pads, as we mentioned earlier, are pretty soft and they can be adjusted along the X-axis only. We can see the Skullcandy branding on each ear cup as well. To connect the headphones, all we need is a compatible device, so any device that has Bluetooth should work for the purposes. And for the purposes of this video, we will be using an Android smartphone. To get started, we will need to turn on the Bluetooth on the smartphone, and if it is the first time you are powering on the device, it will go into pairing mode automatically. Next, we need to check for the device in our available devices section. As you can see, it says Uproar Wireless, and that is the one that we need to select. Once we tap on it, it will begin the pairing function. And once it is connected, we can see that it is ready for calls and multimedia playback. We can also see that the battery level is at 60%. Now you can use the headphones to listen to your favorite tunes or make calls. So this was the unboxing of the Skullcandy Uproar wireless headphones. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.